Hey YouTube, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are all safe from the current COVID-19 situation. I know things are wrapping up a bit in the United States and here in Canada. Places are reopening, but I hope you guys stay safe, keep your social distancing going. And with all that going on, I'm here. I came to Walmart to purchase a few things this morning after dropping my wife off and decided to do my new review. And here in the car, I'll be doing it. And it is a review on homage piece to the Citizen Promaster. Now, who would have thought of doing a homage to a brand like Citizen or Seiko? But frankly, I've seen quite a few going on Aliexpress, and I saw this one. It looked kind of impressive, and the price was just unbelievable. I mean, I paid under $20 Canadian, which is about $14 to $15 for you guys in the United States, and great watch. I've already taken it out and had a sneak peek at it, and you get a whole lot of watch for the price you pay for. So definitely a piece of pickup, and let's just get into it. Alright guys, so here is the watch, and it comes in this little cardboard box that you can see. Something very plain and basic. And let's pull out the watch itself. So covered with styrofoam. Alright. You have a little instruction booklet for the watch. Nice little clean cloth. Can't believe they can do all this under $20 Canadian. Really impressive. And here is the watch itself. I mean, first impressions of the watch, it looks really, really nice for under $20. I mean, just look at it, guys. It is a great homage to the Citizen Promaster. Has the same style of crown, bezel, hands. Oh yeah, it's really nice. Does not have a screw down case back, but again, for under $20, you're getting a whole lot of watch. Very nice, soft rubber strap. Has some kind of splash logo at the end of it, like the Seiko and Citizen dive watches do. Again, this is not a dive watch, more of a dive style watch. I mean, you get, according to the manufacturer, it's a stainless steel case, 45 millimeter case diameter. All right, and an 11 millimeter case thickness. The length of the strap, according to the manufacturer, is 27 centimeters with a lug width of 20 millimeters. So if you want to change out a strap, you could. 20 millimeter straps are easily available almost everywhere. You could get a good variety of them for a good price on Aliexpress themselves. Especially if you want to put it on a NATO strap. Really nice watch. Let's pull the crown out. Yeah, it does not feel cheap at all. Cheaper watches, the hands are kind of floating all over the place, really loose. Not on this. And push it down a bit. Oops. And you got the date. Right there. Finally got it. And good date. Clicks. I don't know if you can hear that or not. But yeah, really nice watch. I have a 7.5-inch wrist. And that's how it looks on it. It's a really nice watch. I'm definitely going to go out and wear it today. And I recommend all you guys, look into his watch. The seller on AliExpress, his name is Global Watch Store. And really nice watch to pick up. So, guys, wait for it. Even $20 regular price, it's a good price for this watch. The The next clip that I'm going to show you guys is my Aliexpress order and the page where I got this from. So keep watching. Guys, so here is the watch that I ordered from Aliexpress. This is the page for it. I did pay exactly $15 for it during the last Aliexpress event they had. I also had a coupon, so about $14.55 if I recall correctly. Here are some pictures of the two variations that it comes in: the black on black, the blue on blue, both with rubber straps. Again, as I said, really comfortable watch, and looks great. I mean, when you turn that crown, it does not, the hands do not just come loose. There's some good feel to it. Definitely good movement inside, and really nice watch, right? Um, it's back up to $21.38, and this time with a $3 shipping charge, just because due to the pandemic, a lot of sellers are saying that very few, uh, shipping companies are open, and the ones they are charging more money to send products out. So that's understandable. You are going to be wait a little bit more time. I got my package in about a few weeks. You might get yours maybe in a month and a half or 2 months, just because of the delays for the pandemic. Again, we saw the variations. Those are the two, and really nice watch. That's my review right there. And yeah, again, great homage to the Citizen Promaster. They do have other watches that the store has. Store's name is Global Watch Store if you guys do want to pick it up. And great watch. Of course, seller showing off his other products that he has. You guys want to do review any of the other ones? Winner. Again, a very common homage piece to the Rolex Submariner. A lot of Chinese micro brands and other brands do it, including well-known brands as well, such as Steinhardt. So yeah, but this YouTube channel is all about budget watches. Anything I can get my hands on for under $50 is what I'll review for you guys. Again, right now I'm wearing an Android. You guys can see it. Retrograde watch. This was above the $100 mark. Been part of my collection for about a year now. If you guys want to see a review on it, I can definitely do a review on it. Great piece. And yeah, man, guys, go check out this watch. Order it. It's definitely a really nice piece. Really can't go wrong for $20, under $20. It's really nice. So thank you for watching my review. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. Comment below with any questions, criticism as always, and anything else you might have to say. Thank you.